Today's episode, we'll be talking about YouTube, we'll be talking about podcasting, and today I have with me a content creator, a creative director, a YouTuber. She already has thousands of views on YouTube already. AnJolaoluwa Joseph. So I'm so excited about this conversation, and I know you're excited, so that's why you're here. That's why you clicked on this video. So let's jump in. Anjola, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you so much.
Hope you are good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming in. I'm so grateful. So today we want to talk about how to start a YouTube channel. We have a lot of people who wants to go into YouTube and getting to start creating. So many people have so many ideas. So many people have so many hobbies. All right. And so they need to start properly. All right. And you're also a YouTuber. Yeah, you've been there for a while now. So what inspired you to start a YouTube channel?
Initially, because I had like friends that they didn't have a dad or like they didn't have a mom. So like I wanted to have a platform that, I can't relate because I have both parents.
Yeah.
So I wanted to have a platform that, they can be free, like talk about how it is not to have a dad again or not to have a mom. So that was like the motivation for me to start.
Wow, that's nice. So how do you choose your niche or topic you want to just give out to the people? Niche is like something like a segment or a department in so much like food. Some people are going into blogs, lifestyle and finances, businesses. So how do you choose? What inspired you to?
Okay, so I actually don't have a niche yet because as I said earlier, I started dropping videos of like situations that you can cope with. And from there I decided to vlog a particular day and I liked it. So I'm still trying out different things, but I figured out that even with trying out different things, I like what I'm doing, right? So I don't have a niche yet, but start with what you like doing and you can continue from there.
Okay, so one thing is that you will face challenges.
Yeah.
Is definitely like YouTube, you face challenges on YouTube and, it takes a professional to tell you guys how to address it. So you faced so many challenges. How do you tackle those challenges?
Challenges like maybe editing, maybe like I'm used to like certain patterns when I'm editing. So maybe when you open a YouTube channel, I see, this person's editing like this, and since I'm the only one shooting my content, I'm the only one editing. It's like it's a lot. So I just try my best, honestly. I just try. Or is it when I'll shoot a video and figure out that the audio is not there? Or I just try, honestly.
So those are like the challenges. Sometimes you might not have people to start filming for you. So that's one challenge because I wanted to start the Ileyemi TV 2022, but I didn't have people. But I had a place, I had a studio. Now we are using OpenAI, but then I had the studio back in Lagos, and we are not in Lagos right now, but we don't know. So we had a studio back in Lagos. Normal, everything was, but I didn't have people. So I think that is one of the challenges you will face, all right, while doing what you're doing. So let's talk about the equipment you use in filming, in recording audio and...
Okay, so I use an Android phone to film. Then I have a tripod stand that has like a ring light. So I use that, and I have like a lapel mic. So like that's what I use basically. Well, there's a particular video that was an iPhone that I used to film it. So that's basically what I use.
All right. So when we are talking about sound, let me come in because this is like my own department, video department. I also do music too, but I do video, and so you can use Audacity in recording. You can use Adobe Audition. You can use Studio One. So this boils down to you learning. So YouTube is like a place for you guys to learn. So before I started the Ileyemi TV, I had to use 1 year to learn editing, to learn audio editing, to learn so many different things. So go on YouTube and there are so many creatives. There's Think Media, there's vidIQ. These guys give literally everything you need. Just go there and then you learn. So just learn, and then you'll be perfect in what you do. All right. So that's just that for that. So what are like the strategies you use in growing your YouTube channel?
Be consistent. I think that's consistency is key. Right? That's like the ultimate thing. Once you're consistent, you grow your channel. Don't be a ghost on YouTube. Right? Don't post January, and the next time we're seeing you May. Like your subscribers will just go. They used
yes,
to leave.
They'll leave.
My subscribers used to leave, but they still come back. Be consistent on YouTube and
yes,
you will grow on YouTube.
Yes, so consistency is like the key because in everything. And one thing about YouTube is that you might drop your first 20 videos and probably the views are like 100, like just 100 people. A lot of people are like, when I post my first video, you are going to have like 10,000 views until you get there. So just be consistent. Don't look at the views. Don't look at what the money, because starting, you have to just leave it. You have to do it like an hobby. All right. So then with that, things will start. Yes. And so one thing about YouTube is that you get negative comments. Have you gotten any before?
I have. I haven't heard from like friends.
Wow.
Right, that they will tell you to your face. Do you know I used to watch your videos? Because when I started my channel, I learned on YouTube that your first viewers, like people that will view your channel, will be like your family members.
Yeah, yes. And
for a family member to tell me I don't want your videos, like it was a lot, but I mean, it's what it is. So I had to like see from their own point of view to that. Maybe because I was doing like this or my audio. At that time, I was using a particular mic that was not loud at all.
Wow.
So like it was really low. So and I'm somebody that things get to me easily. So I just try my best to like look off it. I mean, it will definitely happen. Even if your video has like 1 million views, you still see people saying negative things about it. But that should not be like a stumbling block. Just like continue. I mean, it is normal.
Yes, and so, like, as a YouTuber, I feel like you must be patient enough.
Yes.
You must be patient enough. Now, we have two kinds of YouTubers now. And there are some that they are there to criticize other people. And we also have some that they are probably there to just teach people how to do something.
Yes.
But then now let's leave out people who criticize, or like YouTubers who criticize all those pastors or other people. Let's leave them out now. Now let's face people who are doing something, but probably there might be a mistake in their video, and then they will get hurtful mess. So one thing you can probably do is just overlook it. Try your best to learn from your mistakes. Let me just put it like that. You have to learn from your mistakes. Secondly, you will have to probably sometimes even off your comment section. If you feel like the stuff gets so much to you. So you have to just, all right. So I feel that's like the basic thing. So starting on YouTube is very, very, very lovely. And one day you also start and we watch your videos. And so we want to say a very big thank you to Anjola. Thank you so much for coming in. I'm really, really grateful. So you can tell them your social media handles and even your YouTube, so they can follow you, subscribe.
So on YouTube, my YouTube channel name is Copy with Anjola. And if you want to connect with me on a deeper level, my IG handle is at _jola.xx. And that's it.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you find value in this video, make sure you click the subscribe button, like, share. Share it to your friends, share it to your family. And also, if you want to connect with me and my guest and even the TV show, go down in the description below or in this video and you see everything. Everything right there. And I can't wait to see you in the next video to connect with you. Let's go.